3 methods to improve your website's user experience. In this day and age, many webmasters still underestimate the value of providing a good user experience for their visitors. They don't realize just how much they're missing out in terms of leads and sales. If you care about your business, then stay tuned to this presentation. Today, we're going to learn about the 3 methods you can use to improve your website's user experience. Number 1. Improve page speed. Page speed plays an important role in your website's user experience. No one wants to hang around forever waiting for your website to load. The slower your site, the higher the chances people are going to hit that back button or close their browser tab in frustration. However, when your site loads quickly and people can easily find the information they're looking for, then Google and other search engines will take note and possibly reward your site with better rankings. Number 2. Plenty of white space. Some webmasters don't believe in utilizing white space, and they want to cram as much information as possible into their website. They think giving their users plenty of options is good for their business. However, the truth is, no one wants to have a million different things going on their screens. Are they supposed to read your article, watch your video, click on that flashing banner, or what? People have limited attention spans online. Don't distract them any further. When you implement plenty of white space in your site's design, then people are going to be able to find the information they're looking for. You can help direct their attention and get them to follow your call to action. Number 3. Use images and videos. There's a popular saying that goes, "A picture paints 1,000 words." You should use images that convey what your business and your website is all about. If you're selling a service, then use relevant images and videos that showcase what your service is all about. Try to stay away from stock photos though. People can tell stock photos from a mile away. Use your own images. If you don't have some nice shots, take the time to capture your business in action, or hire a professional to do it for you. Videos work even better to capture your brand's authenticity. Think of ways you can use both images and video to capture your audience's attention.